guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we are gonna be making a Christmas DIY ornament. It turned out so cute thanks to Cricut, which actually Cricut is sponsoring today's video, so it's honestly perfect timing. We are also going to be decorating the playroom in today's video, and if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please just keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing we're gonna start with is making our DIY for the playroom. So the amazing thing about the Cricut Joy Extra is that I can literally go on to the Design Space Studio. It's basically Cricut's own app where you can search through projects, find ones that you like or that you want to make, and then it literally walks you through step by step. I'm gonna show you on how you can make it at home. You guys, this is perfect for the holidays. I'm even thinking of making these ornaments for the kids' teachers to give to them for Christmas. I just think it's so cute. I've talked about Cricut before. You can make cards that are just like unique, from the heart, homemade, and I absolutely love that. If you're a creative like me, this is perfect. So we're gonna get into it. Okay, so I'm on the Design Space right now. So I'm over at my stuff and what I bookmarked. So this is kind of the inspo. I was looking at different ornaments that you can make. They have ready to make ideas on this Design Space. So if you're stumped, if you're thinking I want something cute but I don't know, I literally typed in Christmas ornament and I think I'm gonna make this one. So I think this is gorgeous. All I have to do is go down here and click make it. So now I'm gonna hit continue once I picked it out, and I'm just gonna go get my material really quickly so that I'm prepared. Okay, so it literally walks you through step by step what you need to do. I'm just taking this out. This is the Smart Vinyl in gold, which I think would be really, really pretty on the ornament. It's very festive. So it says to load fine point blade into the clamp, which I already have. So I'm just literally going to weave this in. I'm gonna slide this in slowly so it can sense it. Okay, and now all I have to do is click go. Okay, you guys, so now that it is 100% cut out, it's complete, I'm gonna unload, close my Cricut, move it off to the side, and I'm gonna cut off this excess just so that it's not in my way and I can easily do this. There are little tiny cut marks that show what our ornament is going to look like. I'm just gonna peel this back and then add transfer tape so that we can put it on our ornament. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with this tool to really clean it up and get all the details. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far and I think it looks great. I'm just gonna add the transfer tape on top so then we can stick it onto this ornament. I think it's gonna look so pretty. I'm so excited. So now that I have the transfer tape on, what I like to use is the Cricut tool to sort of smooth it out and make sure everything adheres to the transfer tape so that it's easy to peel off and put on our ornament. Okay, so now that we have it on the ornament, I'm gonna use the same tool to smooth it out and then peel it off. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I love this. I think this is so adorable. Now I'm just gonna add some ribbon. Okay, you guys, and this is the final result. This is how the ornaments turned out with my Cricut Joy Extra. I love this machine. I am so excited with how this turned out. I think it just looks so professional, but I made it at home. It's handmade, and it honestly was so easy and just like really fun to make. If you're a crafty person, I will link the Cricut Joy Extra down below. You can check it out. This would make an amazing gift, or you could make amazing gifts with it. So thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video, and let's continue on with decorating for Christmas. Okay guys, and here is one last overlook of the playroom and how it is decorated for this holiday season. We just decided to do sprinkles of Christmas throughout the playroom. Ignore all those toys, that's a whole nother video, but I really love how it turned out. Don't forget to check out Cricut down in the description box if you want to make this gorgeous ornament, plus so many other ideas for this holiday season and beyond. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and the Christmas playroom, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.